Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to upload files or photos or folders on Google Drive. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Google Drive application. First of all, you need to tap in the plus icon just above the file option. Here you need to tap in Upload. You can choose or you can select any files or folders or photos you want to. For now, I am going with a random picture. Tap on it. As you can see, one of the files is being uploaded. Here at the first, you can see my selected picture has been uploaded in my drive. In this way, you also can upload any files or folders or videos you want to upload. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can upload files or photos or folders on Google Drive. Thank you.